Let's continue from where we stop. Clicking an icon. Clicking an icon. We talked about the left mouse, the right mouse, and probably the center mouse. We will just highlight some of the technique you use when you are working with the mouse. So to click, when we say click something, that means highlight. So if you are holding your mouse, if you hold your mouse and you want to click, you just need to get close to the item. If I want to click this item, I need to get close to this item. Then I will press my left mouse. I will press my left mouse. The accompanying video will come later. So I need to click my left mouse. So to click highlight an icon, you press the left mouse button once. So you have to press it just once. If you are on the desktop, that icon is highlighted. You see that icon will be highlighted. We will show you videos on that regards anyway, but if you navigate to your desktop environment, you click an icon, it will be highlighted. So if you click inside a program like Microsoft Word, the insertion point will be on the particular position. Click, or you will activate an icon. That is if you are on the Microsoft Word or Corel Draw. So double clicking an icon or item. When we say double click, that means you click the left mouse twice. You double click an icon when you quickly click the left mouse button twice. So when I say double click, that means you quickly click the left mouse button twice. That is what you have to do. You quickly click the left mouse button. So if you are on the desktop environment, double clicking opens a program from an icon on the desktop. So if you double click, maybe you want to load your Microsoft Word, you double click, you will see that your Microsoft Word icon will be open, or a folder. If you double click it, you see that particular folder will be open. So if you double click a word in Microsoft Word, you are selecting or highlighting the word. If you are in Microsoft, when we open all these programs, we will activate it and you see it. So if you double click, you are in Microsoft Word and you double click a particular word, that means you are automatically highlighting the word. So right click an icon. So you have to click on your right mouse. When we say right click, that means you need to click on your right mouse. So to right click an icon, you click the right mouse button once. When we will be telling you to give commands to the computer, when we say right click your mouse, that means you press your right mouse button once. That is what you do. So right clicking always conjures up a menu or list of actions related to whatever you are right clicking on. When you right click on anything, you see a menu will pop up. We will talk about what a menu is. A menu will always pop up in which you can select from the list that will be presented before you will do that practically. Click and drag. Click and drag. So to click and drag, when you click, you press down the left mouse button and you move your mouse. That is when we say click and drag. So on the desktop or Corel Draw, to click and drag an item, you press the left mouse button down. When you press it down, you hold it and then move the mouse across the mouse pad and release the mouse button. So when you want to move, click and drag, you just click on the mouse When you click on the mouse, you hold it down. That's your left mouse. You click and hold it. Then you move your mouse button. Then when you move your mouse button, depending on where you want to drop the item, you can release it and that item will be there. So in Microsoft Word, you will first select the word before you can move it. So in Microsoft, you click it, select it. When we say select, we get to that. You select it before you move it. That is how to click and drag. So you can use click and drag to select multiple items on the desktop or to select multiple words in MS Word. We will still work on that. Drag and drop. When you drag, you drop it. In dragging and dropping, you are moving an object from one location to another. So when you move it, you certainly drop in another position. So to click the icon using the left mouse button, you click the icon using the left mouse button, then press it down and move the mouse while still pressing the left mouse, then release it. The object will be dropped in that new location. That is basically some of the mouse techniques. Some videos will follow this and we will see what will happen in real set.